Hello guys, today we'll be going over the 2013 BxMO problem 3. So let triangle ABC be a triangle with circle that, and let I be the center of in circle of ABC. And the lines AI, BI, and CI intersect the circle in D not equal to A, E not equal to B, and F not equal to C, and the tangent lines to the circle in F, D, and E intersect the lines AI, BI, and CI at R, S, and T. And so prove that AR times BS times CT is equal to ID times IE times IF. And the absolute values are there just for directed lengths, but we're not going to be using directed lengths today. Okay, so this is the diagram that I've drawn up beforehand. So we will be using law of sines in our approach. And obviously, power of a point could be useful, similar triangles, but no, we're just going to be doing that today. So let's take a look at AR. So AR, we can do law of sines in triangle RAF. So AR over sine RFA is equal to AF over sine FRA. And so now let's simplify. What is sine RFA? Sine RFA corresponds to arc FA, which is just angle ACF. And what is angle ACF? Since I is the in center, that means this is 1/2 of angle C. So AR over sine C over 2. Now what is AF? FRA is a little bit trickier, but we know that since this is a 90-degree angle and this is also a 90-degree angle, we know that these two lines are actually parallel, which means that angle FRA is just going to equal angle BAD. And angle BAD, because I lies on line AD, this means that angle BAD is 1/2 of A. And so this means that AF over sine. This is good and all, but we don't want AF. We want IF. So let's take a look at triangle AIF now. So we know AF. And so now let's just do some angle chasing, because this triangle does look isosceles. So let's take a look at this angle right here. FIA. So angle FIA is no. Let's just look at angle FAI. Angle FAI is equal to angle FAB. Angle FAI is equal to angle FAB plus angle BAI. Angle BAI is, like before, equal to A over 2. And angle FAB corresponds to arc FB, which is equal to angle FCB. And angle FCB is C over 2. Now we want to find FIA. Angle FIA is actually the exterior angle to these two angles, as it is a supplementary angle with angle AIC. And what are these two angles? This is A over 2 and C over 2. So they add to A plus C over 2. So we know that angle FAI is equal to angle FIA. This means that AF is equal to IF. So AF is equal to IF. This is our ratio. And so multiplying all three together, all three equations together, we can do the same process for BS and CT, but basically what we will get is AR times BS times CT, and then in some order we'll have sine A over 2, sine B over 2, sine C over 2. So I don't actually know, for example, what sine would correspond to BS, but we do know that all three sines will be included when all three multiply together. This is equal to ID times IE times IF all over a similar sequence. A sine A over 2, sine B over 2, sine C over 2. And so now we can just multiply sine A over 2, B over 2, C over 2 on both sides. And now our condition is proved. AR times BS times CT is equal to ID times IE times IF. Thank you guys for watching.